Hey, it's Mark McGraw at Sandler Training. Hey, I have a good friend of mine, Brad McDonald. I think you're going to love this audio. It's just a couple minutes long. Brad is a good friend of mine, and Brad was the captain of a naval submarine. And man, to do that, you've got to be a leader, right? So I was talking with Brad one day, and he rattled off his 7 characteristics of a leader. And I asked him to record it with me. And so this is Brad going through it. I think there's tons of great takeaways in here. Take a listen to what Brad's thoughts are.
Be approachable and in control of yourself. A leader's first task is to control himself. If you can't control yourself, how will your men think you can control your ship in combat or emergency? Number 2, be consistent. People would rather work for a jerk every day than a guy that's a jerk one day and nice guy the next day. Number 3, be fair and just. Hard to measure in a world where we tell our kids life's not fair. You do everything you can every day. So at the end of the day, you can ask yourself, was I fair and just today? And you should be able to say yes. Number 4, set the standards. The commanding officer sets the standards. Don't ever expect people who report to you to set a higher standard than that which they see from you. Don't expect people to have shinier shoes, better haircuts, nicer clothes, neater desks, better office than you have. If you walk over a piece of trash in your office, that's a standard. A piece of trash on the floor is okay. Number 5, continuously supply energy and enthusiasm for whatever is to be done. A lot of lousy things we have to do in work. Nobody's going to be more excited or more enthusiastic about doing the grunt work or the lousy jobs than you. Number 6, be yourself, but always be the CO. Don't forget your role. Don't try to be everybody's friend all the time. You have a role. That's what they want you to be. But also, don't try to be somebody else. Just be yourself. Number 7, make my troops proud that I'm their commanding officer. They don't need to love me. When they see me, I want them to think, I'm glad that guy's my captain. I don't want them thinking, I wish that son of a bitch was somebody else's captain.
So it's Mark again. Hey, I thought those are great points that Brad made. I love them. Absolutely think that they're rock solid true, and we do set the standard in all ways. So if you're interested, if you're a sales leader and you're out there on your own and you're having to learn how to be a good sales manager and sales leader, you might consider joining our Sales Leader Network. What we do in that program and is a coaching and training program that we provide to sales leaders and sales managers, helping them to be the very best leader that they can be. Click on the link to learn more about the Sales Leader Network and Sandler Training.